she takes things to heart. She won't really let it out. She's not very demonstrative, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
She keeps things to herself. And she's finally been letting out, and we've been having some real good talks, and she's been telling me a lot of things. I realize that this is the only solution, really, to help her. And she won't...
If you finish school and get a job, get wrapped up in something, you know.
Yeah. Well, see, she's been in school. She leaves here about 15 after 8, and she's in there from 9 to 5 every damn day. And she's so keyed up when she comes home, I can't keep her in. She showers up and off she goes, but she don't go anywhere. You know, if she was going out with someone where she was dating steady, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's because she's been separated since August, and she's filed for divorce.
Yeah.
But him, of course, he'd like to come back, and I think this is a problem, too. She just couldn't go to bed with him anymore, that's all. I can't blame her.
Yeah.
At that age, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
To do something like that. So I don't know. We'll see what we're going to do. We'll get it together, and I guess at least have the bar open for now till I get able to start working in there full time. See what the hell we're going to manage. You know.
Well, could she get wrapped up in Susan's place there, or do you want her there?
Yeah, we hope to get her wrapped up in there.
Yeah.
And she's been looking forward to it. That's the best part of it.
Yeah.
Of course, she can't handle drinks. She decided she wanted to get married, and she got into this position. There was nothing, I couldn't stop her. I wouldn't sign no papers for her until she was 18. That's why she was so far gone.
Yeah.
She did it on her own. But what the hell are you going to do? I mean, hope for the best is all I can do now.
Yeah.
I don't know whether having a father makes a big difference, I'll tell you. She was scared to death of her brothers, and I wouldn't dare, especially the oldest one. I was even scared to tell him anything, because he'd kill her, you know. But, of course, if her father had been here, she'd have been scared of him, too. Because, you know, damn well you can tell your kids, you can give them orders, they'll obey a hell of a lot more than they will your wife.
Yeah, to a point.
To a point.
Yeah. But then these kids nowadays, man, it's different than it was a generation ago. There's no comparison.
I know. Well, this is what I get from her, is I'm living in the past, the old time things, you know?
Yeah.
And I'm too old-fashioned, and I just won't come up with the times. Well, I can't go wholeheartedly with it, Bill, and you can't either, and you know it.
Well, no, I'm not to go completely wild, but I mean, there is a difference in the way they think and act nowadays, there's no doubt.
Yeah, believe me.
Years ago, if you had trouble at home, you ran away from home. Now they don't run away from home. They don't go right. They just go out and get an apartment. They're on their own. They're independent. They're not running away from home.
Yeah.
Amounts to the same thing, but that's the way they reason things.
Yeah, that's true. Because I know she says, well, she says, maybe things would change. Maybe I ought to go out and get myself an apartment. I said, you got an apartment downstairs. She says, yeah, but just go out on my own. I said, go ahead if you want to go. And she says, can I come back, though, if I change my mind? I said, no. That really bothered her. Now, you know damn well, if she'd come back, I'd take her back. You know that.
Yeah.
But it's just that I thought, well, you know, I don't want to give her that chance to go out on her own, and Lord knows what the hell's going to happen to her. And then, see, there has been an influence. The son of a bitch ought to have a contract put on the bastard. She met some goddamn son of a bitch. He's 10 years older than her. He's 28. And he's one of these fancy-free guys. He doesn't believe in getting married. And you know what I'm getting at?
Yeah.
And this has been eating at her, too, because she's been raised where her morals are pretty good, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And now the guy's he's been on her. He wants her to go to California with him. And I said, no way. I said, what are you? You going to be a tramp? She said, no. She says, we have an understanding.
Yeah, so he gets tired, find somebody else.
I said, what's your understanding, Rose? She says, no, she says, he knows a lot of girls out there. If it was sex, he'd go out after his other girlfriends, but he won't bother me. I said, you actually believe that? This is how naive she is.
Yeah.
Now, can you imagine it? I said, Rose, my God, do you think he's going to take you to California just to look at you? She says, well, Mom, she says, he'll keep his word. I said, oh, my God, Brenda. She says, I don't want to go because of him. She says, I just want to go to see California. I said, well, don't worry about that. Don't worry about going with him to see California. I said, if you want to see California, we'll go to see California. So I offered her a trip to the Bahamas. I said, we can...
So slowly get to look for it pretty hard.
I said, you want to go to the Bahamas? I said, well, me and you will go. I said, we'll take off. And she said, me and you? I said, she said, Mom, I can't go with my mother. I said, well, you ain't going with nobody else either, and we'll tell you right now. But if she was nuts about the guy, I could see it. But it's not. This is what the thing is. And I told him, I gave him one hell of a grief. I told him, he don't lay off. He had a bullet in one leg somebody gave him. I told him the next one's going to be in his head. And I mean it, if he don't stay away. He has stayed away. He hasn't bothered her.
Well, she should make her kids her own age, Mother.
That's right. She met this one at her girlfriend's house today. He's a friend of the family. I said, he's a friend of the family, all right. But he's too damn old for her. Well, of course I get, Dad was 10 years older than you, but that was different. That was a different situation, different day and time.
Yeah, and even now, I mean, if it was 10 years difference if she was 5 years older, it wouldn't make any difference.
That's right.
But she's too young.
She is too young.
Yeah.
And she's so mixed up, see. This guy's playing on her sympathy, you understand? And she's good for feeling sorry for people. And I guess that's my mistake, because I've done too much of it myself.